Hello everybody, I'm here today to show you how to combine my new number templates. You can grab them in my store over at scraporchard.com. They come with numbers 0 through 9, but they are easily combined to make any number that you want. So I'm going to combine number 1 and number 3 to make the number 13. I'm going to open a new canvas, new 12 by 12, okay. Now on my new blank canvas, what I'm going to do from my first template, I'm going to take the white background, the zigzag shape, and the paper shape, and drag them all, highlight them and drag them all onto my empty canvas. I can also right click and hit duplicate layers and put them on that new canvas if I want to. So here I have my basic background. Now I'm going to take my number 1 and all the little photo spots. I'm just basically going to click on the very bottom layer besides the paper layer there. Scroll up and hold down my shift button and click the top button. And now I have all that highlighted. I'm going to drag it over just like I did with the other layer, and I'm kind of move it over here to the side. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my number 3. I'm not going to grab those bottom layers there, but all the photo layers, numbers, elements, hold down the shift key, highlight all the layers and drag them over. Then I can move them to where I think they look good. Obviously I'm going to have to be playing around and moving it all around. So you can see it doesn't quite fit. So what I'm going to do is click on the top layer, scroll down, click on the zigzag layer, which is the layer right next to the bottom. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to click on the zigzag or the paper layer because I don't want those to move at all. But I want everything else to move. I'm going to shrink it just a little bit. So what I'll do here is use my move tool, just kind of shrink it so that if I hold down the shift key, it will shrink it evenly. Now I have the numbers 1 and 3 combined. I'm going to have to play around with it because obviously I don't need all of these extra things. So I'm just going to kind of delete what I think I don't want on my page. Anything that might be duplicated from the other template. And if you want to keep some of these text layers, you know, that's fine. Just do what you want. I think I'm going to move the 3 up a little bit so that it lines up a little bit more with the 1, just the 3. So I grabbed the 2 3 layer spots. Now you can see I kind of have this extra photo here that kind of overlaps here. I don't know if that looks too good, so if I really want to add that third picture in, I'll find a good spot for it, maybe there, or I can just simply delete it if I don't want that many photos. So what I would do at this point, you have it pretty much combined. I would just play with it excuse me, until you got it maybe to look the way you want it. And of course you'll just go in and add your papers and photos and elements, and there I have the number 13. Hope that helps.